Okay, we are recording again. Press the select pause. Thought we were recording. Pause. Oh, okay, we are still at 57 feet away from the men's bathroom. Continuing to push. That is a very, very severely back-graded. I've got something hung up there. Right up on it. Severely back-graded right there. I don't know what that is. There's no telling. We just pushed past it. We're out of the belly. We're pushing stuff along in front of us. Let's get some flushes going on. Some water. I got it, dude. I got it. Should see water flow by here. Should see some water flow by here. There we go. Come on now. No, it's not. That pipe is level. If it's got any kind of a drop on it at all, it is minimal. All right, we're continuing on. We should be somewhere in the back of the house. I'm guessing at the distance we're at 86 feet. Probably start to catch condensation lines from coolers. Again, we have another belly at 98 feet. We're holding water. We are either bellied or back graded. We're in the new section of pipe. It almost seems like where they glued the pipes together is where they're back graded. It's like they didn't support. It's getting hard to push. We're at 111 feet. All right, now we're starting to catch the coolers. These will be condensation lines coming out of the back of the house. We got something stuck on the camera. All right, we're at 122 feet. I can barely get the camera to go forward anymore. Everything seems to be flowing well. Put some more water through here. See if we can identify that it's actually moving solids out of the line. And something I didn't even think of. They could have used the wrong size pipe in the sewer line. They could be one size too big, which will not move solids.
Yeah,
the water will flow, great, but the water flows too fast, it won't carry the solids, so the solids just
it's too much.
gets, yeah, if your pipe's too big, it won't move solids out of it.
Yeah.
And that's toilet paper.
I remember learning about that now, so yeah.
Yeah, the bigger the pipe doesn't mean it drains better.
Yeah,
it's actually bad.
Yeah, it's bad.
Well, you're looking at a reason why, potentially. Yeah. Either way, there is a back grade and there are bellies. And I'm thinking if they went to a size smaller when they roughed this thing in, they wouldn't have had a problem out of these bathrooms at all. Except for the back grade. Yeah, this is not.
Is that 4-inch pipe?
I don't know. It's looking to me like it's 4 or 6. This would be a good one to bring to the, see, that's where you've got a, well, no, there's, see the primer?
Yeah.
So you got, this is where there's your hub, right?
Okay.
Okay, so where this was on the last one, you'll see it as we back out. Where they're glued together seems to be where they're bellied. Like when they glued their sections together, they didn't reinforce under the pipe in those sections. So when they pack their trenches, it actually the ends of the pipes are pushed down.
What would you use in a commercial setting?
Pardon?
Would you use like?
Oh no, you make sure it's installed right. You add dirt under the pipe. You don't prop dirt clods and whatever you can find laying around, which you'll see a lot of. Unfortunately, some plumbers will grab a rock or a chunk of concrete and get it to where it's level, and they'll pack the sides of the pipe, leaving the whole underside of it without dirt. Well, as soon as they pack that trench, man, it's down. Which, when they do the water test, a lot of stores, I don't know why Walmart wouldn't do it, but typically they want you to camera out of each cleanout and videotape it when you're flushing the system, so you can identify bellies before they pour the slab. Yeah, before they pour the slab. That way you can dig down and make the corrections.
So that's going to be a big job to fix.
Sure it is. You got to cut a slab. The only way to fix this is to cut. You got to hot saw this thing. And you're hot sawing, you know, sections of this thing, because it's not all in one spot. You see how this is all bellied? This is all holding water. It looks like it's flowing when I pull it backwards, but it's not. That's the bubbles from me pulling on the camera. Yeah, this is all holding water. That whole line's bellied right there. Look at that. This is real bad. And here we go. That whole pipe should not be full of water, ever, ever. When you run water through it like I just flushed, maybe halfway, to carry all the solids. This whole pipe, this whole line is It's turbulent. Now we're coming down out of that. That's a really severe, very severe belly.
That gentleman said that he's worked here for, since the store opened.
Right.
And they used to just back up every once in a while, but now it does it all the time.
Yeah, well, you got more people. You got, plus, you know, over time the solids accumulate, and there we go again.
It's every state.
That's a big line. You see that okay?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry about that. Cables jumping around here.
It's my face, I understand.
No, that's all right. When I wake up, my eyes swollen shut. Yeah, where are we here?
We're back in the area here. Oh my goodness.
That is a severe.
That toilet on the other side there is clogged.
Yeah. That is a very severe. See, this whole thing is you see there's paper everywhere, top, bottom, left, right. This whole thing is it's back graded the wrong way, man. It's holding. See, look at that.
So like Christmas time comes, everybody using the bathroom. It's gonna be,
Well, I mean, that doesn't happen in a short period of time. The store isn't that old, man. That looks like, you know, 200-year-old pipes. This whole thing right here, you'll see.
it looks like they're...
Right? This is in that drop. And what's happening is all that water, all this volume of water is hitting the bottom of that 90, and the 90s is lower than the sewer line, so it just blows back up.
So like, is it like this, Dave? Is that what you mean?
I'd have to draw you a picture. Okay, there again, look at that. Okay. And here we go, look at that. Okay, now we're out of the drop, coming back up out of the clean out. 2 feet, 1 foot, and we're back in. The clean out in the men's bathroom. And my hands are dirty, you want to pause that?